Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you. Yeah, so in this video I'm just going to be making a money bouquet. So I always see them around this time of year. I really like them and I really wanted one, but I don't want to buy that for myself. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try to make it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got all of this stuff except the money from Dollar Tree, and then I got these roses actually from Michael's, but you can get some roses from Dollar Tree as well, or any other store that's around you. I decided to do $100 bills because it's my way of manifesting. This is what I want. This is what I want. I don't want $2 bills. I don't want $5 bills. This is what I want. Okay, so with that being said, so I got money, I got ribbon, I got the little styrofoam block, some paper to wrap it in, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to start the process. Now I have two different kinds of roses. I have these and I have these. These are from Michael's and these are from Dollar Tree. I don't think I'm going to use these because it's too long, and I've already made one. If you can see in my background, that baby right there, that's a 10K money bouquet baby. So yeah. All right, so anyways, we're gonna use these, and I have already made the petals right here. I've already made them. So this is not gonna be like super in-depth video, but I actually will show you guys the process of me folding and placing them, because I did record a little when I was making the other one. I just didn't finish the video, so that's why I'm doing this one now. So as you can see, I'm just taping the stick to the money by using one strip of tape, and then I just pin the two corners up together and a little circle, and I place the tape there. There are several ways that you can do this. This was the way that I did it. I actually prefer the other way where it looks like two petals, but hey, remember that was my first time making it. But yeah, so it's pretty simple, and that's how you tape the dollar bills together. So I did these first, and these are stuck to little kebab sticks. I couldn't actually find the sticks that people were using. I just couldn't find them, so I had some kebab sticks in the kitchen, and I just taped the money to those. And this is how I did it because I wanted the hundreds to show. And yeah, so I actually got two of these. So the first time I started making it with this, and it just didn't come out right. And yeah, so we're gonna use this one for the one that we're gonna make today, because I'm more confident and I know how to like make it a little better now. So we're gonna use this one, and we're just gonna ignore that holder. Actually, I'm gonna turn it this way, so just pretend like you didn't even see it. Okay. All right, so as I'm pulling the tags off of these roses, I want to say that it is so good to be here, and to let you know that I'm also on a journey to start content creating full-time, and I'm very excited about that. So please expect to see more videos. I feel like I say this every year, and then something happens. Like one day I'm gonna sit down with you guys and just do a run through of like everything that's like literally happened to me in my life. That's like, I didn't have the capacity to like do YouTube. So yeah, with that being said, I am gonna create more videos. So you guys are gonna see more of me in my life, in my journey, and it's cool. I'm cool. So, I mean, but you know this. So like I said, I'm not gonna use these roses. I'm just gonna use these, but these are at Michael's Arts and Crafts. That's where I went. You know what, actually, was that at Hobby Lobby? Or was that Michael's? Let's see. Let's see if it's on the tag. Hobby Lobby. These flowers, these roses are from Hobby Lobby. And guys, when I was there, I saw the most beautiful like fake flowers. So I've been buying real flowers, but there are just some arrangements that I feel like I can create with the fake ones that I could just incorporate into the decor. Once I figure out how to do that, once I step into that zone, please believe I will have flowers all over this place. I'm such a greeny person. Like, green is my favorite color. And I'm just really loving greenery nowadays. Okay. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit this here. Make sure you guys can see it. There we go. All right, so you can see it, and we are going to add the rose first. Yeah, so we're just gonna stick that there. I think that's good. It looks a little crooked, so let's fix it. We're gonna stick that there. And I like, so there are some people that do the money bouquets. They'll do like one rose in the middle and then surrounded by roses. I actually like seeing the roses. So I wanna do like maybe 3. So you just stick them in there and that's it. So this is how it looks from the top. And then we're going to start with the petals. So let me just stick that around. So we're just gonna do the first layer and continue to just stick them in. Oh, I feel like that one's too far over, but anyway.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay, so this is what we have so far, and yeah, that's it. So this is my second time making one, and I feel like you can tell. Like, I feel like you can tell this is my second time making a money bouquet. But it's cool. So I'm actually gonna add some more roses, the ones that I said I wasn't gonna use, just to give it like some more color or something like that. Because it's not looking that hot. Okay. And then the stems are coming through this, but I'm just gonna fold it because it's gonna be covered by the paper anyway. But definitely, if you're making one of these for someone or to sell, please watch somebody else's video. Honesty always around here. But yeah, this is like a really fun thing to do, I think. Anyway, I feel like it's a cute thing that you can do for like Valentine's or, you know, whatever. Okay, all right, that looks a little better. It doesn't, but we're just gonna do that. Yeah, okay. All right, so yeah. Anyways, how was your Valentine's Day? What did you guys do? Did you spend it with family? Did you spend it with your significant other? Tell me about it in the comments because I really want to know. So growing up, you know, as a child or whatever, it was more, we always got our friends stuff for Valentine's Day. And I think that more people, I think it's cool that more people are like doing it and stuff. Because I feel like it's just a day of love. Love yourself, love your friends, love your family, you know, whatever. Just, you know, be nice, do a nice deed or something like that. And I had to move that a little bit. I had to wrap it with the paper. You know, do something nice. And I know there's like some people that they kind of like associate holidays with like, you know, a significant other or like a family, like this. It's always tied to like a significant other. So I kind of like that more people are like admitting that, you know, Valentine's Day isn't just about like romance if you're in a relationship. It's just a day of like love. Ladies, if you're dating somebody who just doesn't care about Valentine's Day and you like it, I'm so sorry. I know that most people are like, oh, every day is Valentine's Day for me, this and that. That's good, girl. Kudos. I love that for you. But I don't know. I just feel like it's like a very small gesture that is always like really nice when someone experiences it. So yeah, that's kind of like how I feel about Valentine's Day. Now some of y'all be going all out. I'm talking about cars and all types of stuff. I've never just had a Valentine's Day like that, but it doesn't mean they aren't good. I remember actually when I was in high school, it's so funny to me because I do this every year still. I watch the Twilight movies around this time. My mom actually got us the Twilight, all 4 DVDs for Valentine's Day. I don't know why she did that. We didn't ask for it. Now, I was a Twilight fan in high school. I was watching it. But I like never just was like, oh, I want all of them. We were happy and we watched them. And so that's like something I do. And when I start a family, you know, if I have children, I will always get my children something for Valentine's Day. Because my mom always got us something for Valentine's Day, whether it's chocolate, candy, a movie. She cooked something. She always did it. So to me, Valentine's Day is like not just for like relationships and like lovers and stuff like that. It's kind of like for everybody. Like you can show love to anybody. All right, so anyways, this is the flower bouquet that I made. That we just made together. I don't just cute. It's all right. Like I said, I wouldn't use my video to like sell or make it for somebody unless it's like, you know, personal. I think it could be cute, like, hey, I made it for you. I like when people like make me stuff because I feel like it means that they put like time and effort into it, but I don't know. Anyways, yeah, what do you guys think? I think, like I said, I think this will be like a fun thing to do, like a fun activity to do. I make yours, you make mine, or, you know, for Valentine's or just for anything. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video with me and making this money bouquet with me. Make sure you hit that notification bell at the bottom of the screen so that you can know every time I upload a video. Once again, I am 5678 and I will see you next time. Bye. It's 5678.